Redbubble, how to make money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to redbubble.com. Click on Sign Up and be sure to choose the Artist Sign Up option. Then, enter your email address, choose a shop name, and create a password to register. After signing up, go to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, and select Dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything related to your store. Start by setting up your store profile. Upload a profile picture, a cover image, add your social media links, write a short bio, and complete your payment information and phone number so you can get paid. Next, click Upload Product and upload at least 5 designs to get started. To stand out, choose 1 to 2 niches, such as cute animals or retro designs, and stick with a consistent style that builds your brand. You can look at Popular Store for reference. And that's it. Your Redbubble shop is ready. Now, just promote your work and wait for your first customer.